How to buy Apple gift card online. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. To begin with, go ahead and open up a browser that you prefer. In the search bar, search for Apple gift card and give it a search. You have to go ahead and select the first option, that is Apple gift card. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you are in the home page of Apple gift card, you can select the buy bubble. Select through which you want to send your gift card. If you want to send via email, select email or send mail. Choose a design that you want to add in your gift card. I've selected the last one. Select an amount. If you want to add manually, tap on Other Amount. Next step, enter your recipient and your sender in this dialog box, and also enter the email address. Once you are done, if you want to add a message, tap on Add a Message, then tap on Save. Once you are done, tap on Add to Bag. In the next page, it will describe you about your card. You can select the quantity by tapping on the drop-down icon. If you want to remove it, select Remove, or select Edit if you want to edit any of the detail regarding your gift card. And it will notify you when your gift card will arrive as well. Tap on Check Out once you are done. In the next step, you have to sign in into your account or just tap on Continue as Guest. Once you are done with the payment, you'll be able to buy your Apple gift card successfully. And it's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.